Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for 22, 23, 24 batch because in this video we will discuss about the hiring trends of HCL Technology, TCS, Accenture and Infosys. I got so many DMs that is related to hiring trends. So आप सभी पूछ रहे थे कि ऑन ऑफ कैंपस हायरिंग क्या स्टॉप हो गई है, क्या इस साल ऑन ऑफ कैंपस हायरिंग होगी. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, देयर इज अ गुड न्यूज दैट HCL Tech plan to hire 10,000 freshers this year. Good news for graduates. The first half growth fell short of forecast according to C. Vijay Kumar, the CEO and Managing Director of HCL Tech. Okay, and TCS reaffirms at plans to onboard 40,000 freshers in FY 2024. इन्फोसिस की ऑन कैंपस हायरिंग इस साल नहीं होगी, ऐसी भी न्यूज आई है. देयर इज नो ऑन कैंपस हायरिंग फ्रॉम द इन्फोसिस, बट इट इज नॉट कंफर्म दैट लाइक व्हाट अबाउट द ऑफ कैंपस हायरिंग. ऑफ कैंपस हायरिंग भी हो सकती है, टोटली डिपेंड्स करता है इन्फोसिस टीम पे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स. ओके, एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, आई ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड so many videos on our channel that is related to hiring, so please check and apply for the opportunity. So TCS reaffirms it plan to onboard 40,000 freshers in FY 2024. So it is very good news and biggest news. So they just mentioned that TCS CEO and express confidence in the company goal to employing 40,000 campus recruits in the current fiscal year despite poor growth and several organizations changing their hiring tactics for fresh graduates. He emphasized that TCS generally recruit between 35K to 40,000 freshers and that these plans will remain the same. So it is very good news for 2024 as well as for 2023, and if they will consider 2022, so it will depends on them. But there is a paid NQT examination for the 2022 batch as well. So basically for the free NQT 2024 batch and 2023 batch, you have a very good opportunity from the TCS team. They will plan to onboard 40,000 freshers and it is very biggest news for all of you. Okay, so they mentioned that. So in the TCS they mentioned that there are on campus hiring methods, and in a recent earnings call, Infosys said that company recruited 50,000 freshers last year but is presently deferring campus recruitment till demands improve. So Infosys is not hiring freshers through on campus this year, but there are so many hirings that is related to off campus as well. What about the off campus hiring? NVTQ examination, Hack with Infi examination and other direct hiring examination. So we have to particularly wait for the next update from the Infosys team. HCL Tech plan to hire 10,000 freshers this year. Good news for graduates. These all news are posted on the TechGeek platform, so the news credit goes to them. The top executive of HCL Tech, the Noida-based IT services company, will continue to committed to hiring fresh graduates from college. The company has set a goal to hire 10,000 freshers this year, compared to approximately 27,000 that they were hired in 22-23. So most probably वो आप 23-24 बैच को कंसिडर करेंगे यहाँ पर, and there is a good news that 10,000 freshers hiring will remain same. So it is a very good news for the 2024 and FY 2024 means the fiscal year 2024. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, if you are from 2024 batch, 2023 batch, so don't worry about the hiring because we are not only focusing on the mass hiring, we are also focusing on the direct hiring from MNCs. Okay, what it means? So I posted opportunity that is related to the latest hiring direct test opportunity. So one of the most important point, आपको कोई भी hiring miss नहीं करनी है. You don't have to miss any of the hiring. If any of the company is hiring through their direct hiring system, or they are hiring through referral system, or they are conducting the walk-in drive opportunity, so you have to apply for the opportunity, and we will give you all the updates that is related to this hiring on our channel. So you can subscribe our channel for latest updates. Okay, and you can check, we are regularly updating the hiring videos on our channel, so don't worry about that. I am with you, and all the other content creators are with you, and your college placement cell and all the other faculties that they are helping you for placement. Okay, and online learning team is ready to help all candidates, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and don't worry about that. Many companies hiring is remaining for the 2024 as well as for 2023, so if you don't have to miss any of the opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.